All right, Emma, I am taking a look now at your paper. Thank you for submitting it. And I'm going to go ahead and give you feedback on this. And then what I want you to do, or what I need you to do, is go through and fix everything that I mark, everything that I discussed that's wrong or needs fixed, and highlight everything that you need to fix with the highlighter tool. Just like so, let's say you should do something here to fix something. And when you double click on it like that, it'll bring this up and you can hit that, and then you'll go over here and you'll hit new comment, and then over here on the side you'll put a comment just telling me what you did here to fix it. Okay, I need you to do that for every little thing that you fix. Okay, so let's go through here and see what you did. So first thing I notice, you don't have page numbering, so you got to make sure you do that up in the header. Up in the header here, you double click up here anywhere, and you'll need to use the page numbering tool here to put the page numbering over here on the right with your last name and then a space and then the number. Okay, and then double click back out here to get back out of that. All right, this all looks good, so that's fine, although the spacing looks a little bit excess. And here's how you fix that real quick. Whenever the spacing looks like it's a little bit bigger than it should be, highlight that area that looks too big and go right here. And notice how it has an arrow pointing up and down. That's the button you look at. And see, you'll look and see if it says that. And if you see remove, click it, and that makes it right. So that's what you'd want to do to fix that. All right, now let's get into the more important stuff. With the green future buildables. Okay, so your introduction looks okay, except you don't have a thesis statement at the end of it. Also, you do not have your, so the end of it has to have a thesis statement per the sample and the guidelines. So you want to make sure you review, go back to week 9 and look again at the sample, follow it to fix things that I'm going to point out, because you've got other, I can already see you don't have the headings, the subheadings here that they should be. So like here, it should be literature review right here between the two lines, just the words literature review in bold. And then down here for the next section, it should say methods. But it looks to me like what you've done is just basically written an essay here rather than the report the way it's supposed to be done. Okay, so yeah, you don't have you don't have the elements I'm looking for that would show that you used the report, the sample, and the guidelines to follow. So yeah, you're going to basically just need to rewrite this so that it actually works with, it looks like the report. So that's really all the further I need to go, because I can tell it's not written per the report guidelines. Your works cited page needs to come down here. This needs to be tabbed in just a little bit because it's not lined up. See with this up here. This should not be in bold, so bring it down here. And now these look okay. Actually, these look okay. They're just tabbed in a little bit, not quite enough. They should be aligned with the left margin, justification. And also you've got some of that excess spacing here, so you'll just want to, excuse me, you'll just want to put your cursor here and use that button and see if it says remove, and then just do that for all of the ones where there's a little bit excess spacing. So yeah, you really kind of need to rewrite it and then just resubmit it to me as soon as possible so that I can give it a better review, and then we can go from there. So do that as soon as possible. Preferably within a week, preferably within this week. If you can get it done by Sunday, that would be great. Really would be almost required because it's late already. So fix that, resubmit it, and then we'll go from there.